Hi everybody, this is a little bit of a different video, but I did want to take a second because I wanted to remind you that there are just a couple of days left to register for my Try It class. So if you aren't aware of what my Try It class is, I do it every time a new catalog comes out. This is the 19th time I've done it with this new May 2026 catalog. And then part of Try It, we do lots of measuring. And sometimes I know people don't like fun folds because they don't like to measure. So I wanted to show you the ruler that I use. Often on camera, you see me use this one, especially if you're in Try It class. A lot of times I just use what's on our paper trimmer scorer. But this one, I just put some designer series paper on the back of years ago. You can tell this is a long gone pattern. But then I have this one, which is the same. But really, if measurements are not your thing, I will put the Amazon link below. This is what you need to get. So I just got a new one. My other one had a lot of, just as my table is well loved, my previous ruler, now I have one for both tables. And this one's often at my workstation, not at my filming station. So it's why you don't see it on camera very often. But it is a flexible ruler. So you can see it flexes. But for those of you that don't like to measure, can you see that? Not only it has an eighth, a quarter, 3/8, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8. So you can figure out the 16ths and the eighths a whole lot easier with this than you can if you have, so if you did 7/8, then you would know this is the 16th, right? So it's super easy. It has the fractions, and I will put the link for you get it on Amazon. You can probably find it at Walmart or someplace else as well. But I'll put the link down below this video. So if you're getting ready to Try It and you don't like measuring the eighths, then I highly recommend it. And also if you do centimeters, if you're one of my friends in the UK or Europe or Australia or the whole rest of the world besides the United States, then you can also see it's got those marked as well. And sometimes it helps if you're watching a video from a demonstrator in a country that uses different measurements than you. This kind of will line it up a little bit better because it's so detailed. So there you go. The ruler to rule all rulers. Have a great one. Bye.